Please stand with us as we sing together, Come, Thou Long Expected Jesus. Come, Thou long expected Jesus, born to set Thy people free. From our fears and sins release us, let us find our rest in Thee. Israel's strength and consolation, hope of all the earth, Thou art the dear desire of every nation, joy of every longing heart. Joy to those who long to see Thee, day spring from on high appear. Come, Thou promised rod of Jesse, of Thy birth we long to hear. O'er the hills the angels singing news, glad tidings of a birth. Go to Him, your praises bringing, Christ the Lord has come to earth. Come to earth to taste our sadness, He whose glories do no end. By His life He brings us gladness, our Redeemer shed the crown, leaving riches without number, born within a cattle's stall. This the everlasting wonder, Christ was born, the Lord of all. Born Thy people to deliver, born a child and yet a king, born to reign in us forever. Now Thy gracious kingdom reign, by Thine own eternal Spirit, rule in all our hearts alone. Leaving no sufficient merit, raise us to Thy glorious throne. Amen. You may be seated.